This segment is sponsored by Atlantic Duct Cleaning. Some of us are turning on our ACs again, but some of us may notice uneven temperatures in our homes. This isn't just annoying to deal with, it's actually contributing to your higher energy costs. So here to help us solve the problem is the Director of Sales and Marketing at Atlantic Duct Cleaning, Rachel Lavoie. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Happy to be here.
Oh yes, especially as it's starting to get a little warmer out.
Yes.
I'm like,
Yes.
turn that AC on. Why do we experience those uneven temperatures when you're in one room, you're in another room?
It's so common, and the issue is likely airflow. So what's happening is you're paying for that sweet conditioned air, right, to fill up your home, make it comfortable. But what's happening is a lot of that air is escaping through gaps and cracks in your ductwork. So it doesn't actually reach the rooms that you want it to reach, or it just takes a lot longer to actually get where it's going. So sometimes you'll have your bottom level is at 68, your upper level is 74, and you just can't find that, balance in temperature. It's likely an airflow problem.
So I just like lock myself in the cooler room, but instead of doing that, what solves the problem?
Yeah, so the solution is a product called AeroSeal, and at Atlantic Duct Cleaning, we've been doing AeroSeal since 2008. We've applied it to thousands of homes and businesses, and essentially what it does is it seals your ducts from the inside rather than the outside. So if you ever see exposed ductwork in your home, you're going to see like foil tape around the cracks, things like that to kind of keep the air in, but those deteriorate over time. So AeroSeal is the solution because we actually seal it from the inside of your ductwork. Nice. So essentially, first of all, you have to have clean ducts to do this. And the reason I say that is it's a glue-like substance. So if you put it into dirty ductwork, it's just going to stick to the dirt. It's not going to really help you with your problem. And I'll let you know too, now don't judge, okay? But this is actually the dirt from my own home. Ooh. I have a very standard size, 3-bed, 2-bath home.
We listen and we don't judge because this is probably how a lot of people's look if they haven't cleaned it yet.
Exactly. I was honestly surprised when I got my ducts cleaned. But you can't obviously apply glue to dirt and dust because it's not actually going to solve any problems. So you get your ducts cleaned first, which we're happy to do. We've been doing that for 30 years. We'd love to take care of that for you. But once you get your ducts cleaned, you spray this glue-like substance directly into your ducts, and what it'll do is it'll fly right to the cracks and the gaps that are already existing in your ductwork. And once you do that, you'll notice we actually take an air pressure test or air leakage test right before we apply the substance, so you can see how much is air actually leaking, and then an after test to see how much it actually sealed up for you.
And that inside-out effect, is that one of the biggest benefits of AeroSeal?
Yes, absolutely. The fact that we can get into all the ductwork that's behind the walls, so you don't have to actually think about, it's great you can see that your ducts are sealed and exposed ductwork, but what about all the stuff behind the walls, right? So the fact that we can go inside, make sure it covers all of your ductwork, and we like to tell you that if you seal it, you will feel it, which means you're going to feel it in two primary ways. The first way you're going to feel it is you're going to feel it just in the indoor temperature in your home. So no longer are you going to have sections of your home that are super cold and super warm. You're going to have even temperature all throughout. And the second way you're going to feel it is in energy savings. So now your HVAC unit doesn't have to work twice as hard to cool down the temperature in your home, which means you're saving on energy costs.
I love that. Who doesn't want to save money and cool down in the summer? So tell us, where can our viewers reach out and get these problems fixed?
Sure, great question. So just give us a call or shoot us a text at our number, which is 703-435-4485, and let us know you're interested in this AeroSeal product. What we'll do is we'll send out one of our AeroSeal experts, and they'll come to your home for free and tell you if you're a good fit for this product. And we also are providing a $50 off duct cleaning coupon for those of you Good Morning Washington viewers, as well as a little thank you.
Yeah, and do it right now before the show ends so you can get into that special offer, and you can call right now, schedule your free AeroSeal assessment, and you'll receive the $50 off your duct cleaning service. Just remember to mention Good Morning Washington because I am so ready to feel cooled down and to save some money this summer.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much,
You're
Rachel.
so
this was like such great information and such cute little ducks. I'm ready to get all that dirt out of our house.
Yes, thank you so much.